Shipping Fijian Drua produced a thriller in Lautoka last season. Tonight they meet here in Hamilton for the very first time as they kick off round 9 at Anzac weekend in Super Rugby Pacific. Building nicely right in front of the post. Here they come again. Runa has taken in a very good tackle. Flying up was Vota to put some pressure on the Chiefs centre, but Ratima spies a bit of space down the short side. Cortez Ratima! First try for the Chiefs, and it goes to that little halfback.
And they committed hard, did the Indrua. They had to, they were outflanked, and when I say they committed hard, they had to turn from outside in, and they stifled the attack.
The patient as always, and again it's that kick across. Gatlin, Finau, Sammy Penny, Finau winds up. He's got Stevenson with him. Sean Stevenson, and he takes the outright try-scoring lead in Super Rugby Pacific. That's 8.
The pace and tempo of this game after only 7 minutes has got them absolutely gasping for the air, and because of that, the Chiefs have spotted significant overlaps.
McKenzie just tries to swing it round in, off the upright, brilliant kick in the end. But finally some possession for the Fijian Drua. Ikanevere trying to charge for the line, reaching very, very close. And they will score it. Elia Whanakauwata for the Fijian Drua.
And forget the razzle-dazzle, because that was all about power. Right from the line out drive.
Now McKenzie at first receiver. Gatlin, plenty of options here. Poihepe, Samepenu Finau will be hard to stop. Trying to slide his way towards the line here. Boshier, he's very close, he plants it down, and Callum Boshier scores the Chiefs' third.
A couple of mistakes from the Indrua, and they pay the price big time. Shuffled across, Finau goes close, they just get him short, but Boshier was still strong enough to get rid of him and dot down.
Use it!
An opportunity now, Gatlin fires it away, numbers here, McKenzie puts the foot down, McKenzie's in!
Really well worked set piece. As I said, it's usually the winger or the fullback hovering in behind the scrum. This time it was Gatlin.
Kanevere close, chopped down on the tackle of Manaki Selby Rickett. The tight forwards wait once more. Kawaki goes to ground, they score the try. Through they go, and it's Michael Natokani who scores it. Gatlin again, and over the top. Now Silasila looking to take it off of the restart, and the Chiefs will try and blow through here, and they do a brilliant job. Tokiaho, it's going to be hard to stop, he scores! Oh, that's how you respond, and the Chiefs have their foot. Tokiaho scores it. McKenzie, this time he's on target. Oh, bring Gatlin.
Dead.
Has overcooked that one. It goes dead. But the first half has been anything but that. It has been entertaining. It has been thrilling in these conditions. And at halftime, it is the Chiefs who lead the Fijian Drua by 31 points to 12 here in Hamilton. Tokiaho again just loses the ball in contact.
Space.
It's an opportunity for the Fijian Drua to really wind it up here. Plenty of space. Drua Sessi, he's got a player in support too. There it is. The money, just brought down. Pops it up beautifully. And Drua Sessi scores the try for the Fijian Drua.
Crowd are on their feet, the Fijian fans, and why not? It wouldn't be an 80-minute game without the Indrua breaking out from somewhere at some stage, and it's in the 45th minute that they do it.
Again, just slow here as Tokiaho again getting good meters. Ratimel just tried to size up Samepeni Finau. It could be a second yellow card, it will be.
Wait.
So the Fijian Drua down to 14 again for the second time this evening. And it's just been pinched beautifully by Simon Parker. Here comes Runa, trying to cut his way through. Daniel Runa looking for Brody Retallick. And might just about do it for the Chiefs. Parker's got it. The Chiefs go to work again. They're very close, they score.
He's at 9.
Te Turua, Tauriorangi, Gatlin. They want one more here to the Chiefs. Runa, he deserves one. Daniel Runa pops it back in. And it's Tini Nanai Saturo will finish the night for the Chiefs.
And they didn't want to get the boot to the ball. They preferred to keep it in hand, the Chiefs. Nicely worked from the scrum attack.
The Chiefs make it 8 straight in Super Rugby Pacific 2023. They take the outright lead on the table. And tonight, they have dominated the Fijian Drua in the end by 50 points to 17.